In this series, I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to self-publish your book as a Kindle ebook on Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. I just self-published a paperback book on behalf of my friend Jack, and as an example, I'll publish that same book in ebook format in this series. First, you'll need to log into your KDP account and click on Bookshelf in the top menu. If you haven't published a paperback version of your book on KDP yet, you can click the big yellow button that says Create. If you've already published a paperback version of your book, then click the white button next to it which says Create Kindle eBook. Next, you'll have to fill in your Kindle ebook details. This process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to select the language in which your book is written. You'll need to enter your book's title. If your book is going to be part of a series, you can create this series by clicking Add Series Details, Create Series, Main Content, go to Series Setup, and fill in the necessary information. As this will be the first issue of your book, you will not need to include an edition number. Type in your author name. If you write under a pseudonym, you will want to enter that here. Here you can credit anyone who contributed to your book, such as an illustrator, co-author, editor, or forward writer. In the description section, you can write a synopsis of your book measuring less than 4,000 words. This is your pitch to potential readers, and of course you should try to make it as enticing as you can. If possible, try to include keywords in your description, which might lead your target audience to your book. Which brings us to the next section, keywords. Keywords are words and short phrases, which readers interested in purchasing a book like yours might type into the Amazon search bar while shopping. Jack's book is about Vikings and pre-Columbian transatlantic travel, and so I have included these words and phrases in my keywords section. Next, you can select up to 2 categories for your ebook, which will help potential readers find it. Each of these general categories branch into multiple subcategories, some of which have subcategories of their own. Take a look through these, and select 2 subcategories which best fit your book. Next, you have the option to select a minimum and maximum recommended age for your readers, which could prevent your book from falling into the hands of readers for which it is not intended. This step is optional, and you can skip it if you like. Finally, click Save as Draft. You can now exit out of the page if you like, without fear of losing any of your work. In the next video, I'll show you how to format your manuscript for Kindle, which you will need to do first, before beginning the next step of adding your Kindle ebook content. See you in the next video.